Welcome sa Basketboleros with the Cal Bros, ang podcast na parang laging home game kahit saan ka manood. Ako po si Benji Paras, yung kabarin nyo na minsan clutch player, shooter, minsan playmaker, minsan walang ginagawa.
And I'm JC. Dito parang courtside ka lang with VIP access sa mga kwento sa likod ng mga pinaka-winning moments sa basketball. So follow us, hit that bell, and stay locked in para di ka maiwan sa spread.
Yan. At eto na mga kakalbro. Ang guest natin ngayon na isang PBA legend. Dati ko po nakakalaro ito, nakakasagupa at ngayon ay assistant coach na ng TNT Tropang Giga. Parang laging covered lang spread pag siya ang andon. Give it up for Coach Bong Ravena.
Hey, Coach.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Benz. Thank you,
welcome to the program.
Salamat.
Welcome. Kamusta? Na-traffic ka ba?
Okay lang.
Diyan ka lang. Kanina ka pa andyan.
So it's always good to have a champ here. Kumusta? Ano bang latest winning play mo?
Well, may stick to one lang ako eh. Depensa lang ako lagi. Always sa depensa.
Depensa. Yep. Kasi doon naman talaga nag-start eh. Di ba? Lahat naman ng coaches, you will start from defense lagi.
Yep.
Tapos yung offense, susunod na yan.
Just follow.
Yes. Ngayon, eto nga, sa career mo kasi ang tayong lahat parang iba't ibang quarters yung career na yung buhay natin. May playing days, may family time, tapos ngayon coaching. So ang tanong ko, sa tingin mo kailan ba yung masasabi mo up? Nag-buzzer na. Time is up. Pahinga na ako sa bahay.
Well, in my career, talaga nag-decide na ako nung parang hindi ko na mahabol tong player na to. Medyo pag napikon na ako, naiinis na ako. So I guess yun na yun eh. Yun na yun ang sign.
But it's hard as an athlete, you know.
Yes.
It's hard as an athlete, both of you guys.
Hirap mag-imagine
playing at the championship level. Both of you guys are champions, MVPs. To know when to give it up. It's hard, diba? It's hard. So you were saying for you, it was when you couldn't chase that. Did you ever try to, okay, I need one last win. One last win para I can go out with a win?
Maybe dun when we had that championship back in my last championship play as a player, 2003. Yan, yun ang when I had that championship. Okay, maybe until matapos na my contract.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay na yun.
Yeah,
at least meron ng
it's fine for me to go.
Saka hindi lang yung sinasabi mong, hindi mo na mahabol yung binabantayan mo eh. Alam mo yung nasasaktan ka na. Di ba yung pag dati banggaan, yes, okay eh, no? Yes. Pero may time na ang sakit, masakit
yun
na
yung tinatawag natin nung time natin na nag-shift na tayo ng position. Di ba? We're starting to shoot from the outside na, not to slash anymore. Tapos hindi na masyadong sa ilalim pa. Masakit na sa ilalim eh. Masakit na mag-drive eh.
Was this same for you?
Yeah. Kaya nga dinevelop ko yung outside shot.
So what was your moment na I need to develop another skill na outside shot?
Siguro my second year. Nasaktan na ako eh. Kasi ganun kaaga na ang hirap. Kasi import yung mga kasabay ko.
One thing I noticed when the players are about to pa-retire na, yun na pag nagiging shooter na.
So you know,
no.
They won't tell you.
Yes.
But there will be signs.
Yes.
You know what's funny? You guys, I asked Benji this kanina. I was like, have you played against Coach Bong? And I think your careers did overlap a little bit. But you were on the same All-Star team, right? In 1992?
Yeah, yata.
Yes. 92 ako rookie.
Oh, rookie and MVP, right?
No, rookie
of the year.
Yeah.
Rookie of the year. And you were on the same All-Star team, but you didn't obviously play the same position.
Kasi hindi tayo magka-position.
Yes,
kaya hindi kayo masyadong nagko-collide.
Outside ako eh.
But he was already at 92, you're already shooting outside na, no?
Oo, meron na. Ganun yun, ganun katindi. Okay, ngayon naman coach, paano mo naman hinahalo yung old school na diskarte mo as a coach? Di ba, yung old school, di ba? Konti lang yung mga, limited lang yung knowledge natin masyado nun.
Well, sa akin, for me, the new guys, upgraded na yung mga plays and everything. But for me, personally, it all boils down to basic pa rin eh. Babalik pa rin yung basic ng basketball, yung old school nga. Yung sa ngayon, yung mga new generation, unlike nung panahon ko, yung magulang,
Andun pa
yung may
rin.
mga technique yan eh. Paano mo ma-outsmart yung opponent, how to defend, how to outsmart him by defending him. Yun ang medyo ngayon sa bagong mga generation eh. These new generations are like talagang athletic, ang lakas ng katawan, pero hindi pa masyadong magulang. Unlike nung panahon ko, kailangan mong na-develop yung gulang eh. So, it should be together.
Well, I think sa ngayon, yung level of play, the player itself is much more, maybe, I wouldn't say athletic, but they've had a lot of
Dense.
different training.
Yeah.
But as the level of play and the level of athleticism goes up, the fundamentals should still be there, right?
Yes,
It's still
still be.
a game. It's still a game in your
Yes.
head also. And there's
Yes.
still, the coaching, it still has to be there. So like whether they're very good now or back then, it doesn't matter because again, the fundamentals have to be
Yes.
there.
So
Saka
the same.
ano lang naman, dalawa lang yun eh. Ang nangyayari is, it boils down into pick and roll lagi eh. Kahit
Oh,
ano
yeah.
mangyari, pick and roll, drive, then kick out.
Yes.
Ganun lang. So,
Yes.
kahit
Backdoor.
kahit anong sabihin mong nag-iba doon, basically, lumalabas pa rin yung old school method.
Yes, but isa pa yun siguro, maybe it's a little more faster.
Ayun lang.
Yun na yung ngayon.
Kasi kaya bumibilis, wala nang post-up play.
Yes, wala nang sentro, wala nang
na.
five, wala nang lahat. You can run,
Lahat
can
na
shoot
ganun.
from the outside.
Well, I think also basketball in general has so much influence from other countries now.
Of course,
right?
yes.
The Euro play,
Especially.
the American play, and then obviously in Asia we play different as well. So it's kind of all now mixed together.
Yes.
Actually, ang una ko kasing nakita, di ba, yung Golden State. Parang si Steve Kerr, inadapt yung Euroleague. So, ganun yung pinatakbo niya. Na parang yung pass, wala
More
nang dribble.
Yes.
Less dribble.
Yes.
Passing, shoot,
Yes.
score.
Or on passing na.
Ganun lang.
Forward passes.
Ngayon may Pinoy step.
Pinoy.
Pinoy step.
Di ba?
Side step lang yun.
Side step lang yun eh.
Ginagawa nila.
Dati.
Let's take it. Let's take it.
Yung Euroleague, yung Eurostep, may rhythm. May rhythm kasi up, under. Yung Pinoy step sinasabi.
Side lang. Literally side lang.
Literally side step lang.
It's
yun.
cool. Why not? Let's take it.
Ginawan. Anyway, isa pa, Coach. Speaking of old school pa rin, nung time natin, halos wala naman tayong hindi tayo nanonood ng video before and after the game. Di natin na pag-aaralan. So, sa tingin mo sa ngayon is makaka-adapt tayo kung wala nun?
Parang mahirapan niya.
Mahirap na, no?
Yeah. Oo, kailangan mo talaga. We have this called scouting or viewing eh. So you have to watch the opponent. Kung ano yung play nila, individual at saka team.
Pero nung araw, wala.
Wala.
Paano
talaga.
yun?
Manonood ka.
Sulat?
Pati ikaw manonood.
Tapos?
Panonoorin mo yung game. So dapat, alam mo na
yung buong team.
I'm going to guard this guy.
Okay.
This is what he's
May
going
ibang
to do.
mga teams before na medyo high-tech,
Oo.
they had this VHS. Yan. Sa
they
team
were-
nila, meron na, winawatch na. So, nare-review na nila yung other. But basically, wala pa akong naano dati. Even nung panahon namin, wala pa
Diba?
eh.
Even
Walang
lalo na yung college.
viewing eh.
Walang viewing.
Yeah.
Ano ka ba? Pabor ka? Dahil nung time natin, nung college, high school, college, or early years in the PBA, parang dalawa lang yung coaches. Di ba? Dalawa or tatlo lang. So
Ngayon,
ngayon,
dami na.
ngayon pabor ka na parang halos 1:1.
Well,
Sa
it
player.
helps also. May offensive coach, assistant, may defensive assistant coaches. Merong technical side, meron sa percentage sa mga we call this plus minus.
Plus minus.
Yes, yan ang mga ano ngayon
Actually, yun ang importante ngayon.
Yes, because sa mga players, yung mga minutes sila na monitor and everything, kailangan, effective pa ba yan? So, kailangan mo nang i-change. 5 minutes, wala pang nako-contribute. 5 minutes na, negative pa siya. So,
Wow,
you have
numbers.
to change
Talaga
him.
numbers game, no?
Yes. Very, ano na rin. Kailangan na rin eh.
Saka yung sa kalaban, yung spots ng player na kung saan yung mataas yung
Yes, may mga
percentage.
dots pa yan, di
Meron
ba?
yan.
Kung saan right side siya, left side siya, nakaka-score na madalas.
Yeah.
So, kailangan dyan yung bantayan more. You have to send him there.
Oh, this is great. I'm in the middle of a coach and a player, and here I am,
Yep.
a host. Okay, so let's, we were talking about old school, so let's hit rewind from the old days to the TNT Finals run. Let's go to the replay.
Yeah.
Mga Kakal Bros, we're giving away a total of 5,000 pesos Arena Plus vouchers to 10 new users. Tune in lang sa Basketballeros with the Kakal Bros. Tapos sagutin ang anong pick mo question sa comment section. Huwag kalimutang ilagay ang inyong Arena Plus username. Join na!
Parang over and under lang yan. So it's all about timing, right? Knowing when to push or pull. So here in the replay, we like looking back kasi, di ba, sometimes to move forward, you have to understand the journey. All right, so let's go back to the old school days. So in the games without social media, how did you get hyped for games? Like, was it music or was it just focused?
I have my own personal preparation going to the game. Check. One good example, yung music. I listen to my favorite music.
What was your game playlist?
Love song?
80s.
80s. Hindi.
Something faster.
Oh, okay.
Yep,
I'm out of love.
I'm about you. Okay.
Yep. Mga ganong music. Jazz music.
Jazz. Oh, that's a very
So, kailangan
calming,
ma-relax.
Relax lang. Just the two of us.
Oh, all right.
We can make it if we try.
Yeah, we can't pay for that.
Yeah.
Royalties for that.
Well, yeah.
Baliktad tayo. Ako
Yan ang
naman
mga-
rock music.
Rock. So, anong favorite rock
Guns
song?
N' Roses.
Guns N'
Yes,
Roses.
usually. Mga ganun.
Welcome to the
Metallica.
Sweet
jungle.
Child of Mine.
Mga ganun.
So,
anyway,
it's music that got
Pero
you.
sa ano lang, hanggang kotse lang. Kasi meron ka, nag-Walkman ka.
Walkman.
Walkman.
Kasi ano, Walkman.
With
Alam
a
mo
tape,
yun?
with a cassette.
Well,
Oh.
CD na. Actually, CD na.
CD.
Yeah, CD
yung
na.
Discman.
Discman, yeah. Discman, sorry. Yep.
Well, I had a Walkman before with,
I used to have that
with the
before,
tape.
yes.
Yeah.
Oo. Pero ako hindi na, hanggang kotse lang. Ganun. Hindi na ako nagdadala sa loob.
But your kids don't know what a CD is, no?
Hindi nga
Earpods
nila
na.
alam yung Walkman. CD, Walkman, lahat. Wala.
Okay, so let's talk about the crowd. Obviously, because social media wasn't a thing back then and the technology was different. What's the difference? Were the fans a bit, I guess, more intrigued or more focused in the game back then compared to nowadays? Because, I mean, in any sport, not necessarily the PBA, in any sport, in any event, really, everyone can be so distracted.
Yes.
Sa social media, sa phone, minsan sa concert. Siyempre, yung concert once in a lifetime. Pero, andyan yung phone.
Instead of watching the
Yeah,
performers.
they're not feeling it.
Oo, wala na eh.
Yeah, unlike before, the people goes to the venue to watch. Yun ang ano dun eh. That's why maraming talagang pupunta dun.
Mas wild ba nung araw? Nung time natin?
Yeah, I think, yes.
Yung crowd doon, yung
Yes,
sigawan.
oo.
So talagang doon makikita,
Yes.
parang college eh.
Because they're talagang into the game. Walang distraction, diba? So like, if I go to watch the game with you guys, parang let's go watch the game. I'm not on my
Hindi,
phone.
ngayon meron na eh.
Oh.
More on phone na nga sila.
Yeah,
na,
yeah.
While they're watching, nandun pa rin. So,
Yeah, I mean, it's
Nanonood
part of
ganun.
life,
At ano nangyari? Panoorin ko yung replay nga.
yes.
Ganun na eh. Nawala na yung fun. Wala na yung fun.
Yeah.
Do you remember any like classic game where you guys went all in and like just hustled hard, regardless of, let's say, that where the standings were? Parang para sa pride.
Well, yes, of course. Especially when you play against the number one team, which is
Ginebra.
Parang sa akin is like playing against Philippines versus
Oo.
ganito, talk and text. Ganun lagi eh. So, talagang it's a challenge eh for us. So, every game, every night when we play those teams, San Miguel, Ginebra, talagang mentally kailangan we have to prepare eh. Physically, it comes to it.
Saka yung pag nanalo ka against Ginebra nung time na yun, parang doble yung sarap. Alam mo yun,
Yes.
nanalo ka.
Actually,
kasi you're
yeah.
against all, ano ka eh.
Kasi
Lahat
crowd
walang
kanila
kampi sa'yo eh.
Ganito lang kami, kapiraso lang. So, you have to show na kailangan mo talunin eh. So, yun ang actually, it helps, for me, it helps yung the underdog. Ganun ako eh.
We have nothing to lose, di ba?
Yeah.
Saka masakit dito, may mga manghihinging ticket sa'yo. Pag nanood, nag-cheer sa Hinebra. Di ba? Totoo yun. Sabi ko, bakit? Sino yung sumisiko sa likod?
Kasi it's funny because, people would, like, especially pag elimination, di masyado. Magugulat ka lang when we enter the semis.
Ayun na.
Lalo na pag Ginebra kalaban mo, San Miguel kalaban.
Hingi.
Dami ng mga friends, mga kaibigan din naman. But, nanonood na.
Tapos
Just to watch them.
Naka-red jersey na.
Saka nag-cheer talaga.
Nakakatawa lang, yeah. But,
They cheer just for you.
No,
but not your team.
Oo. Pag nakaka-shoot ka, umakit sa'yo. Pero pag Ginebra, tumatayo pa eh.
So let's talk about your opinion as a coach. So we're talking about old school. So that old school grind, that style of play that you are used to. Does that come into factor as a coach when you choose to like pick your players, who's going to play or whatnot?
Well, you have to know your players first. I mean, siyempre, pipick mo yung mga kailangan mo ng mga players whom you trusted and proven na sa'yo to play. And then the rest, yun mga plays and everything, system, it will follow eh.
Yeah.
If you're the coach, alam mo na yan eh, automatic na yan. You know the players. Pag you need it, mga emergency shots or last second shot, pwede mo na siyang, ikaw na, bahala. Alam mo na eh. You know him already.
And pag sa play, of course, may mga plays lagi yan eh. So, lahat ba yun sinusunod ng mga players? Or, as a coach, very specific. Like, for example, may ipapasok ang player, pero yung play, you will all design a play for this player na alam mong hindi siya pwede doon sa play na yun. Halimbawa, kasi nung time natin, di ba, may mga plays na pag binigay mo, spread na kayo, isolation na yun.
Yeah.
So, para hindi na mabuo yung play.
Well, sa ngayon, meron na eh. I mean, players, alam na. They know already what to do. Especially, you're the coach. Alam mo na yun, sino yung last 5 mo. So, just draw what you want. Kuha na nila yan. Yun lang naman ang play na ginagawa namin endgame eh. So, side inbound, baseline inbound, all that stuff. They know that already. So
it's like I'm going to school today.
Yes, exactly.
No, well,
because,
just listening to you.
Just
listening to you.
Play.
Katabi mo naman ako eh. So, old school, you feel the old school vibe.
I feel the old school. I'm old school din ah.
Bagay.
Yeah, look at my old beard.
I know.
Yung play kasi, everyday namin ginagawa yung play. May play kami full court, may play half court, may inbound plays, baseline plays. So, nandiyan na yan. Hindi lang naman yan marami. It's like 2 inside side inbound plays, 2 baseline inbound plays. So,
ganun lang naman yun.
Next time, if you nagkamali, hindi ka na makakabalik later on.
Oh, so when you choose the play, it's like, are we going to do the one play? No, do the other one.
Do the other one.
Do the other one lang.
Ibig sabihin na number 2.
Yeah, number 2.
Saka, mas okay pabor ka doon sa nung time natin yung may illegal defense. Mas nakaka-score yung player eh.
Yes, but I think mas maraming mahihirapan nowadays eh, pag may ganun.
Mahirap eh, no?
Mahirapan sila.
Like, transition from college to to pro, tapos mayroong illegal defense.
Tingin ko lang well.
Mahirap. Kaya ang dahil nagkakamali nun. Kahit tayo nagkakamali.
Oo. But so, that time,
illegal defense nun, you want to double team a player. Pag nakaapa ka doon sa linya, hindi ka pwedeng bumalik sa middle. Talong diretso.
You cannot go back.
Oo. Pag ayun na, technical ka na.
Yes. Yeah, that's why I played football.
Yes. Complicated no?
So ngayon tayo, nag-old school tayo. At ayan, alam natin sa puso ng player yan, kasama talaga ang pagiging old school namin, ha? And this time naman, pag-usapan natin yung mga big plays na nagbago ng odds. Pasok tayo sa main event. Anong pick mo? Yan.
We should have music. All right, Coach Bong, this is the part where we play Anong Pick Mo. So this is how it is. This is where we just vibe. This is where we pick sides. We share the stories behind those picks, home or away, over or under. Every single pick has a cuento.
Okay, sa madalit salita, magtatanong kami ng alternate questions. Yun lang.
Okay. Go.
So, okay. So, mauna ka na, Casey. Go.
Okay, home crowd boost or playing in an away game na hostile court. Where do you perform better?
Home crowd.
Home crowd.
Yep. Mas safe. Yeah.
There's no flying bottle.
Yes.
Coins.
Coins.
Ay, nako.
Yes.
Naglalaro kami rin, may payong kami.
Yes. High risk yan pag hostile area. Hostile host.
Delikado yun.
Yung crowd.
Totoo,
Yep.
totoo.
Back
Okay.
in the days.
Iba talaga, ano?
Yeah.
Iba.
Mas gusto bang manguna as a veteran player or ipasa yung spotlight sa rookie? Mas gusto bang mag-shine ka pa rin as a veteran o ipasa naman doon sa rookie na alam mong
I think for me, pasa na.
pasa na.
Yep.
Huwag nang pilitin.
Wag nang pilitin. Yes. It's much more easier for me. Makes my job easier.
Hindi, saka narating mo na.
Your time to shine.
Time to shine.
Yes.
And then you can have the credit.
Yeah.
Diba? I made this possible for you.
Kundi dahil sa akin, kung naglaro ako ng mabuti,
Correct.
hindi
Yes.
ka makakalaro ng maganda.
Okay,
Yep.
ito. Inside paint attack or 3-point barrage. What style do you prioritize in a game as a coach?
Outside,
Outside,
the 3 points.
because that was your last role as a player also.
Yes. But for me now, kailangan natin yan eh. I
'Cause
mean,
that's
as a whole, we need shooters to play, like, to compete abroad, worldwide. So, 2 birds in 1 stone.
Yeah.
One for my team and then one for the outside. I mean, international.
yun pang equalizer.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Okay. Pressure moment. Anong mas gusto mo? Stick with the play or run and gun?
Stick to the play.
Stick to the play.
Yes.
Mas
Stick to
effective
the
pa
play.
rin, no?
Yes.
Kiefer, stick to the play. 30 is run and gun.
Stick to the play,
Stick
Keith.
to the play. Stick to the script.
Yeah.
Okay, which has more impact? Bench mob energy or starting 5 carry?
Wow. Starting 5.
Starting 5.
Yep.
Yeah, I would say so also because they know that's their role, that's their
Yes.
job.
Yes.
Okay.
That's your core.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they earn that position. don't
Yes,
they?
and the rest will follow. Their teammates will
yun.
just follow.
Mas bet mo ba yung morning practice or yung late night game adrenaline?
I'd rather go for the early morning practice.
Ganun.
Bakit sa morning? But yan.
Para I can rest
The whole day.
the whole day.
is yours na, no?
Yep.
You can do anything na.
It's
Okay.
hard. It's hard to practice at late
At
in the
night,
evening.
yeah.
Wala ka ng energy.
Puyat ka na naman. Yeah, although it's
Totoo
not
yan.
the right sleep eh.
Tama. Okay, eto. Road trip sa province or fly out abroad? Alin ang mas challenging para sa mindset ng team?
Flying abroad, yes, it's hard, but it's interesting. Looking forward, excited.
Well,
it's tiring though.
Yeah, but I feel that you probably have more time to bond, right? Camaraderie.
Yes,
But
it's most important.
there's also a lot of time to get really excited. But it's
Yes.
also a long way home if you lose.
Yes, homesick.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially mga 3 weeks na kayo dyan. We had that We trained abroad for 3 weeks. Masarap. But after a while, nakakapagod na.
Nakakapagod na mag-shopping. Di ba?
Number one.
Maubusan ka rin eh. Tama na.
But that's exciting. Yun ang ko.
Okay, so here's another question. Do you feel more motivated being an underdog with high odds or a heavy favorite with low expectations?
Me, I love to play underdogs. It gets me, it pumps me up.
What's your biggest underdog story na you have experienced?
Well, playing versus Ginebra.
Yeah.
Yes, always. I love to play against those guys during the time, yung panahon namin.
Unless
Kasi
it's,
favorite lahat eh.
Yeah.
So sa akin, challenge for myself. How do I play with this crowd?
With coins flying through the air.
Yes. Paano ka umilag ngayon?
Yun, diba? That's another part of the game that
Yes.
you need to practice, right?
Yep.
Right?
Ngayon naman, mas gusto mo ba yung ang score mo ay mataas, yung score niyo maabot ng 200 points, or mas maganda yung dikit na dikit yung laban?
Dikit. Yeah, close games.
Close games.
Because for me, nagiging every game later on, it's going to be a habit. How do you take care of that possession every game? Yan
Saka
ang,
masarap masanay ng laging
it will be a habit.
may pressure.
Yes,
Yeah.
the pressure.
Kasi meron akong pinanood sa college game na sweep nila yung first and second round. Dating ng finals, twice to beat pa sila.
Yeah.
Natalo. Hindi sila nanalo ng finals.
Yes.
Kasi nga, dumikit yung laban.
Yeah.
So, hindi na nasanay. Hindi
Yeah,
sanay
you'll get used to,
sa pressure.
close games.
Close games.
You know how to handle adversity like that. Now you have to take care of every possession.
And it feels like such a more like just a better win, right? When you win the game, it's like because you don't know if you're gonna win.
Yes.
If you're winning by a lot, parang
And you learn faster by playing that kind of game every time.
Yeah.
Kasi ang magiging lesson din yun is kahit lamang ka, di ba? You
Ingat
will
ka.
still, ano pa rin.
Yes.
Talagang tutuloy mo yun until the last buzzer.
Yes.
Okay, here. For you, Coach, mas satisfying ba yung jackpot win sa clutch or yung comfortable win buong game?
Jackpot.
Jackpot.
Jackpot. Yan ang best yung win ever.
Yung pa rin, ano?
Yes, yes.
That was just like the last question, eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Diba? So we were just testing you, and your answers are consistent.
Yeah.
Ito pa isa. So, halimbawa, mas gusto mo ba yung ma-dominate mo yung whole 4 quarters or yung may comeback na lang? Ganun din. Sa comeback ka nanalo.
Not every time. Pwede both.
Nakakasakit eh. Ang hirap eh.
Pwedeng comeback, pwedeng dominate. Go either way. But ayoko naman na laging comeback. Baka hindi ka na makakambak.
Mamaya mapatid ka eh. Hindi mo na matuloy eh.
Sorry guys, we did not come back.
Sorry.
Yun na nga.
Okay, so you showed us your real basketball IQ there, and that you want to win the jackpot, and that you are an underdog. So now we know. So now let's dive deeper into the game with some pro insights from you.
Yes, game na tayo para sa tunay na nagbubukas ng utak sa court. Pasok tayo sa The Pro Read. Alam nyo, sa laro, hindi lang skills ang puhunan. Kailangan may game sense ka. Yung alam mo kung kailan lamang ka sa spread at kung paano babawi kung dehado ka.
Yep, that's right. So let's break down the reads at habits na nagdala sa TNT sa finals, parang hinog sa diskarte at timing, hindi lang sa talent.
Okay, Coach. Twice to beat yung Magnolia nun, pero 1-point wins pareho. Ano yung mindset tong crunch time para ma-close out yung game?
We stuck to our defense. Yun ang dun eh. We have to make stops. Yun ang kasi dikit eh. So kailangan mo, you have to stop Magnolia. And we did that. And we protect our lead. Yun ang nagdala sa amin dun na we beat them twice. 2 games yung 1 point. I was surprised that time eh. So for me, yun sa depensa pa rin.
So yung adjustment nyo parang nung second half eh. Nakapag-adjust kayo eh.
Yeah.
So ano yung adjustment na ginawa nyo?
Well, no first half kasi nakikita mo naman if you review, medyo our defense talagang malamya eh. You know, not as like we really want to stop them. Medyo mabagal pa kami to catch up. Yun ang nagpaano sa Magnolia nung first half eh. So, after halftime, talagang ang depensa pa rin. Like what I remember Coach Sandy na narinig ko siya na talagang yung depensa kailangan natin. Dagdagan natin yung effort. You have to wake up. Or else wala na. No more game 2 or whatever.
Yeah.
Kasi twice to beat yung Magnolia eh. So, yun. Second half, going back to the court, we made talagang stops. And then nakalamang na kami. Pero crucial pa rin. Dikit pa rin.
Oh.
Yeah. Dikit pa rin.
During yung mga practices, very intense ba? Medyo mainit ba yung ulo ng mga coach, ng head coach?
Well, hindi
Parang
naman.
lang, di ba? May
Hindi
mga
naman,
ganun,
hindi
di ba?
naman. Ano lang eh. It's sa mga players yan eh. We know that we're going to play like playoffs. So, dapat your minds are set, your bodies are set already. So, preparation, mental preparation. How do you prepare before going there? So, at first, sluggish eh. Relax, ganyan. Buti na lang, we catched up second half. They made stops, very important ones. Alam mo yun. So, the first game, doon ang we can beat this. We can beat Magnolia.
Sa kailangan nyo manalo nun. Kasi kung hindi, talaga.
Yeah.
Do or
isa
die
pa,
kayo.
do or die na bali.
Talaga.
So, ang pressure is not from us anymore.
Sa kanila na.
Baga, for me, I call it even na. Pag mga ganong games,
Back to zero na yun.
yes. 1-1, 6, game 3 all.
Yeah.
That game 3, talagang
Anything can
anybody's
happen.
game.
Yeah. Anything can
It's
happen.
anybody's
Slates
ball
are
game.
clean.
Sa akin, for me, I call it like, sinong matapang dito? Sinong
Yun na yun
matibay
eh.
ang dibdib?
Kasi yung mga plays, I'm sure umabot kayo doon. Kabisado nyo na pareho lahat.
Yes, wala na yun eh. Wala ka
Kabisado
naman,
na
there's no major adjustments eh.
Wala na.
No, wala. Mahirap. No, but I mean, for me, no. I don't know kung may coach pa man nag-i-invent ng new play for that.
Wala na.
I am not sure, but I don't know.
Ano na lang yun eh, no? Parang
I don't know
matter
one.
of consistency na lang sa mga
Yes,
players.
diba?
Yung offense and defense. Ngayon naman, pagdating ng finals, ano na yung naging advantage nyo
Well,
during the finals?
we reached to the finals. That's our advantage. We should talk about our disadvantage.
Okay, sige,
Ano yung
go.
disadvantage?
You know,
Kasi nga,
nakita
di
naman
kayo
na
top
lahat
seed
eh.
di ba?
Yeah. At first, siyempre, going to this third conference, honestly, hindi namin in-expect eh, na to reach in the finals.
Yes.
Because we played 2 finals already. Nagdalawang champion na kami. So, ito, all Filipino, yung wear and tear, nandun na, injured si ganito, injured si ganyan. So, our first 2 games, we lost both games. So, wow. Tingin ko personally, sabi ko, medyo mahihirapan na kami. And then, we started winning. And we had this 6 winning game streak yata, or 7, whatever. So, yun na, playoffs. We beat Magnolia twice. Semis. We won. Hindi ko ma-imagine to reach in the finals. But, yun na nga, ang ano dyan is injuries. It
Yun na
catched
yun,
up.
Sa dami nung
Yes.
laro eh.
Medyo, when you reach the finals, lalo na, talagang yung wear and tear, wala na. Nababawasan na kami. We call it like nalalagas na yung team namin. Yeah. And, playing San Miguel, fresh sila eh. Kasi, yun lang ang finals nila eh, in this year. So, they never reached, nag-semis ba sila? If I can remember, I don't know. Ilang ano ba sila? Nag-semis sila second conference? No, I don't think so. So, sariwa sila compared to us kasi we played 3 finals in 1 year. So, yun na, it get us
Yeah. So kumusta naman yung culture sa TNT? So
wala akong dyan masabi. Iba yung namin. I'm proud ako dyan.
Yeah. And what do you think that you have added to the culture there?
Iba yung conditioning, number 1. We had this motto na best conditioned team. So, yun ang namin is conditioning. Kasi yun ang
Your
doon ka
pride,
maglalas.
I think your pride.
Yeah. For that 1 year, kailangan ang team mo is not in the middle, gumaganon.
Dapat pag ganun,
at least man lang, ganun lang, gradual lang. Yan ang namin.
So sa tingin mo medyo mahirap na magkakasunod yung conferences?
Hindi naman. But, you cannot avoid, injuries na mangyayari. Nobody knows kung matapilok si ganito, ma-pull yung ni ganito. So, that's the risk. Hindi naman, nobody predicts na may mai-injured sa'yo. But,
it happens. Yeah.
Shit happens.
Yeah.
Same
it does
thing what
all the time.
happened sa finals ng OKC, Indiana, di ba? Halliburton.
Oh my gosh.
Diba, no?
I'm very, but
Ganun talaga.
I'm very proud of
Saka
my
lumaban.
team. Yeah.
Lumaban.
Oh, yes.
Until the end, lumaban.
Ika nga sabi ni Boss MVP na masakit, yes. Nakakalungkot, yes. Pero hindi nakakahiya.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, syempre, you're aiming to get to the finals again, and pero this time as the top seed, right?
Yes,
So,
yes.
how will you do that?
Mas may pressure ba?
Oh, yes. Well, kami, like our team, sanay na sa pressure eh. Kasi flagship ni MVP yung talk and text eh. I mean, grabe ang pressure sa team. When season starts, yun na yun. Walang expectation niya kundi dapat finals kayo, dapat champion. But ganun talaga yun eh. Ganun talaga eh. So, kailangan paghandaan talaga namin.
Yeah, di ba? It's not new pressure. It's
No.
there every year.
Yes.
So
Yun
ngayon
nga.
nag-start na kayo?
Not yet. Kasi kailangan magpahinga na ang
Kailangan
mga
magpahinga.
player. Kasi
Kakasabi
sobrang
lang,
pagod
ayun,
na. So, next time, we learn, I think, i-prepare sila mas, ano pa. Kasi first time na naman nangyari sa amin na to play like 3 finals in 1 year. So, hindi pala biro yun. Yeah, it's not that easy,
Yeah.
Casey. I tell
No,
you.
I don't think it is. Playing one is hard enough.
Especially in these 2 finals, 2 championship, both are game 7.
Umabot ng game 7. Yan
How
So,
long-
ito talagang game, ano yung sagad.
How long is the rest usually between each conference?
Each conference, I think a month lang. Yeah. So, this one is very short. Yeah.
Okay, ngayon, being a coach, a veteran coach, di ba? Tagal ka na rin nag-coach. Ano ba yung best advice na mabibigay mo kay LA Tenorio? Na siya na yung magiging head
Yes.
coach ngayon.
Well, ako, na-learn ko lang naman to sa mga other coaches ahead of me. Coach Shot, lahat ng mga coaches ang dinaanan ko na marami ako natutunan sa kanila. Well, for Coach LA, kailangan lang patience lang. You start from there. Kailangan, especially siguro sa management, in any kailangan pag naglagay ka ng bagong coach, kailangan willing ka to give him time.
Give him room to grow.
Yes,
Yeah.
grow kasi bago lang yan eh. So I'm sure that's what they'll do with the LA.
May mga coaches din nagsabi sa akin na ang isa pa ay wag mong ko-compare yung sarili mo sa mga player. For example, you're a good player tapos nag-coach ka. Don't compare yourself to them. Ba't di nito makuha? Ba't ganito ganyan? Kaya nga sinasabi niya na be patient.
Yes.
Dapat talagang pasensyoso ka. So
Yes.
expect mo na talagang andyan ka to guide and to teach them.
Yes. I think marami rin, for me, tingin ko marami ring lessons na makukuha si LA by coaching a professional team like Magnolia. He will also grow. Definitely.
I'm sure. I'm sure as an ex-player, and you would know this that if you're coaching, I can do this.
Yes. But tingin ko, yung mag-grow sa kanya is his patience. Yes. And knowledge through
I
coaching.
think it's patience, it's knowledge, it's maybe his overall vision of
course.
putting players together to
Yes,
create
how
a
to
winning
combine players to play
That's
together.
the chess,
Yes,
assembly.
Saka maganda rito, he's very young. Ay, young coach.
He started young.
So ngayon, yung mga players na kasama niya, medyo hindi sila nagkakalayo ng edad.
Yes.
So at least it's an
That's his
advantage.
advantage.
Din yun. Na alam
yes.
niya kung ano yung magagawa.
Yes.
I mean, it could be a disadvantage also. Like sometimes I think players, maybe if they're the coach, they want you to be a little bit more experienced. But I mean, obviously, LA is a very decorated veteran. So if anyone doesn't give him the respect that he deserves, then
I
not
don't
sure.
think they're gonna do that to LA.
Right? Of course. Yeah.
Saka knowing Pure Foods, alam mo naman yung mga players doon eh.
Oh yeah.
Iba rin eh.
Iba rin ang
sila.
maayos din man ang kultura ng mga yun eh.
So ngayon, Coach, tanong ko na, itong recent incident sa MPBL game, yung life ban ng player na nanuntok, do you agree with that punishment or penalty?
Well, for me, personally, yes. Para ma-avoid ng ibang players to do that. That's my own opinion. Yeah, maraming sigurong may disagree, but if you ask me, Para lang hindi, you have to
Hindi na
set an
ulitin.
example. Be a role model. Hindi naman yan suntukan ng laban eh.
So, kasi pag na-suspend, parang isipin mo, okay, suspended lang naman. Makakabalik
Magiging, masusundan
Baka
ulit yan.
masusundan.
So, yung mga ganun kasi, we try as much as possible. You try to avoid hurting kapwa player. Eh. May career yan eh. It's career ending yan.
This is people's livelihood.
Livelihood niya.
Yung yung sinasabi natin kanina, yung merong tirahan, okay lang yan eh. Pero yung nasasaktan, pero as in, yun lang.
Yes.
Yung not to injure that player.
Yes. Yan ang iwasan natin. Masaktan mo yung player. Anything na can harm a co-player,
Yeah.
it's a no-no for me if you're going to ask me.
Kasi
Yeah, I
yung player na sinuntok, broken jaw and broken shoulder. So,
I mean, and that's clearly out of the regular gameplay, right? Siyempre sa basketball, kahit anong sport, there's a rough. You push around, and it's part of it. But I mean,
To that extent,
is not,
man, that's too
that
much,
doesn't
man.
belong in sport.
Yes.
So, back to TNT. So, do you have a player na parang sleeper pick siya? So he's not like the headliner, pero he's your sleeper pick. He's your guy.
Yeah. May mga ganong player eh. And there are lots of player na nobody, hindi pa kilala. Sometimes other teams pa sila. One good example sa amin, like this, nag-improve eh. Si Kim Aurin. Galing siyang sa kabila, play sa 3x3. But hindi siya nag-shine. Now, sa team, like he played with Talk and Text, he had 2 championships already. And mayroon siyang mga role na napakinabangan namin in short. So, may mga ganun, sleeper, whatever. So, yun, marami. So, kailangan, for me, like, as a assistant coach, kailangan mayroon kang team na kailangan ng team mo. You have to find a player that need ng team mo.
parang suitable to play against
to play
that.
on your system. Yeah. So,
That'd be kind of hard, syempre. Let's say you study the film on another team,
Yes.
tapos yung team na yan may sleeper na may secret weapon na
Yes.
you don't know much about, tapos
Yes.
pasok siya.
Yes,
Tapos
yes.
kayo ba, sino to?
yes.
Sa galing to.
Galing pala nito Pwede to, pwede.
May
Well,
ganon.
very kami because he can play defense. Yan ang very important.
Saka meron siyang height
His
and
tough.
build advantage.
Yes, malakas, palaban. So, yun ang mga basic na not necessarily, kasi marami na kaming offense weapon na players
Pero it's good thing about him, he can still score.
Yes.
He can shoot, he
Yes,
can score.
yes.
Okay, may ano siya.
So, isa yan sa amin. Sinasabi mo mga sleeper.
Sleeper. All right, so Coach, are you guys finals ready for next conference? Or are you still making some tweaks that you can say? Maybe you don't want to. Maybe you don't want to say
First,
everything.
they need to rest.
Yeah.
Kailangan pa ng mahaba pang pahinga. Pati mind kasi drained na playing 3 finals in 3 conferences. Well, latest, to be honest, wala pa kami pinag-uusapan. Yep.
Everyone's resting.
Resting
Even you.
lang, rest mode.
Yeah.
Pati ikaw, coach, pahinga muna.
Rest mode muna.
Rest mode din muna. Part ng coach kasi, ang problema kasi, kahit sa bahay, nag-iisip kayo, no?
Yes.
Yun yung problema sa
Yes.
being a coach. So, talagang saludo kami sa mga coaches. Kaya, Coach Bong, thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. At,
It's my pleasure.
At pinagbigyan mo kami rito.
Thank you, Benj, and thank you, Casey, for having me.
No problem.
Thank you.
All right. Again, thank you, Coach. From street ball grind to playing the coaching chess match. Grabe, Coach Bong Ravenna, thank you so much.
Thank you, Casey.
Showed
Thank
us na the winning isn't just on the court, it's also about the life game.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Kaya minsan ikaw ang main man, minsan ikaw ang playmaker. Kaya mga kakalbro, anong pick mo? Old school PBA hustle or modern coaching game plan?
Drop your picks, a comment, and tell us what else you want us to break down next time. The more plays you give us, mas malaki ang lamang natin sa spread.
Salamat mga kakalbro sa pakikinig today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa kwentuhan natin with the OG, Coach Bong.
Thank you, Benj. Thank you, Casey.
Okay.
Thank you.
So i-follow nyo rin yung mga socials namin na Basketboleros with the Calbros on Facebook, IG, YouTube, and Spotify.
That's right. Make sure to like, comment, great, wonderful things, and subscribe and share this
Like
episode.
lang, ha?
See ya.
Thank you.